Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday.
And we hope you guys had an awesome weekend.
Today's activity is going to be sticky and gooey and a little weird to touch, but it's going to be a lot of fun to play with it.
We're making Oobleck.
Yes, what is Oobleck?
Oobleck is an awesome goo that is liquid and solid at the same time.
Great, and it's inspired on the book of Dr. Seuss, Bartholomew and the Oobleck.
Sounds interesting. Let's begin. The materials that you will need are a pan, water, measuring cup, your Monday bag, which is cornstarch and food coloring. This sounds exciting. Let's begin. First, we're going to take out our cornstarch and our measuring cup. And this measuring cup is a half cup. So how many do we put in? 3, correct. One. Two. Three.
Next, we're going to pour our water. It's going to be 1 cup. Then we're going to use our food coloring. A few drops and mix.
Whoa, green.
Yeah, we're going to make a green oobleck. Then we're gonna pour and mix with our cornstarch. And start stirring.
So we're just mixing.
Keep stirring and keep stirring until get a little hard to touch. And if it's too runny, we can put more cornstarch.
As you can see, it's thickening up as we're mixing together.
Do you think we need more?
Now, if you dip your hands inside the oobleck, you can feel that it is hard. If you lift the oobleck, you can make a ball and it turns to solid. But if you open up your hand, it turns to liquid.
Wow, that's right. Now it's your turn to make your oobleck and have some fun.
Enjoy!